Hi guys, welcome back to Real Auto Solutions. My name is Jack. We've got a 2016 Prado in today, and we're just going to show you how to do the cabin filter replacement. I've actually have just checked it, and it doesn't need to be replaced, but I thought, you know, why not make a video on it anyway. So it sits behind a glove box, and you can see that it drops down slowly, which tells us we have a little strut on there. So what we need to do is just pop the strut off like that, and then the tabs that hold it from falling down, one here, these sides are soft, so we just need to pull them in together. A lot easier with two hands because they don't pop back in. And then we just want to pull the glove box down like this, and then we can pull it off our hinge. Here's our cabin filter, two little tabs, pop that out, and there's our cabin filter. We'll take that out, we'll check it, show you this one is a little bit dirty, but I think we can get a little bit more life out of it. I've just got somebody turning up. I'll just pop the video on pause. Okay, so once we've swapped our filter over, you might want to put some deodorizer spray in there, just aircon deodorizer. We want to put out, and we also need to note weight of airflow down. In this case, you can tell by the dirt that's caught in the filter. And clip that back on. With these hinges, you can see there's a flat on there, and also on there. So you don't need to force this. You just want to put it in at the bottom, and it should just pop in. If it doesn't pop in, don't force it because you'll break it. And then we can just simply push it up. We'll pop our strut back on. We'll just check it, and that's done. That's changed your cabin filter, and that's easy. So please consider liking and subscribing to the channel if that helped you out in any way, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.